Sky's Base, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Our own characteristic is that we hold on to ourselves. The essence of the bodhicitta is beyond visualization. We hold on to the characteristics of our awareness. As for our universal and personal characteristics, we are what it means to be indivisible, but we appear according to the power of our discipline. Everything is self-originating awareness. This is why we use the wisdom of knowledge in a single moment to be primordially clear in an awareness that is non-dual. These are the characteristics of a self-awareness that is clear. The light of our self-originating awareness shines. Wisdom that has no position is pervasively encompassing. We have no cause. We are beyond any vajra conditions. These are the characteristics of our self-originating awareness. We dwell within our minds without seeking any self or other. In the dominion of wisdom, we are one. Our works and deeds do not contrive to encompass us. This is the special quality of an uncontrived mind. In the experience of there being no names, we have no characteristics. It is not possible that there be heat without fire. In the dominion of the Dharma, which has no basic name, there is a true nature that has no characteristics. When there is no self or other, we are in a single dominion. What is there that will signify the existence or absence of our characteristics? In our true selves, we are primordial Buddhas. We do not strive, so we live naturally. We realize that we are magnificent people. We are non-dual. In the mind that does not strive, there is a natural fulfillment. We do not dwell on ourselves. We do not dwell on others. The clear light of our self-awareness is inconceivable. The ocean of the teachings is a river for our awareness. The characteristic of an uncontrived mind is to be empty of any conception that is a contrivance. The characteristic of a Mahayana attitude is that we might be anyone.